Welcome back to Complete Kitchens and Bath. Again, my name is Ben Davis. I'm the project manager here for our design studio in Mint Hill, North Carolina. Let's talk products. So the most common question I get when people come in is, what's the difference between quartz and granite? And why would you choose one over the other? So quartz is a man-made product. It's beautiful, it's modern, it's probably 90% of our business, our design studio business, is done with quartz. It is about 90% ground quartz mixed with 8 to 10% resin and some color pigment. They're all pretty much made the exact same way. Some of them, this brand here, is a lifetime guarantee. If anything happens to it, they warranty it and will come out and fix it or replace it at their cost. So that's a wonderful brand to use. If budget is the main issue, we also have less expensive quartz, which again is made the same way. There's just more of it made for, we use it for builders and things of that nature, which we order more, which makes it cheaper. So not a lesser project or product, just less expensive. So we give you options. There's a great range of pricing quartz. Granite is all natural. We have, I'll show you, we'll do a quick trip around the studio. So we have some granite samples here, and they range from warm colors to your whites and blacks. So there's many options, hundreds of options as far as granite. We also offer quartzite, which is a more of a natural quartz with it's natural stone, so it's not in the quartz family. We call quartz as an industry standard. Quartzite is more of an actual quartz. Again, it's natural product. Marble, if you're looking at, I mean, it's beautiful, and a lot of customers ask for marble. It's not, I personally don't recommend it for a kitchen because it's so soft. It's gonna scratch easier, the wear and tear. So that's another thing you wanna consider when you're doing your kitchen, is how often do you use it? Granite will withhold up to 3,600 degrees of temperature, so you can take anything out of your oven, pots, pans, and put it directly on and it's not going to hurt your countertop at all. We seal the granite, which is another thing will have to be done if you have granite. We recommend sealing it about every year to 2 years, depending on which stone you choose. And then we also would say don't cut lemons and limes and anything acidic on your granite. It's not going to hurt the stone. It's going to take the sealer that we put on off, or the sealer that you've put on off. So if you're trying to, if you really just use and abuse your kitchen, granite's not a bad way to go. Also, quartz is very strong, very durable. You can't put the heat directly on it the same way you can as the granite. But it's very durable. We would just recommend you having a cutting board somewhere near your stove or your oven, so you can take it directly off the oven and put it there, and you're not risking hurting your countertop. But again, if you look, we have many colors, many options. Cambria is one of our brands that we use. This is the brand that offers the lifetime guarantee on their product. Budget, not quite as budget friendly as some of the other ones, but you can tell they're, I mean, just gorgeous colors, and you can pretty much decide any design you want for your kitchen, and they're going to be able to make that happen. But if you look, we offer every type quartz, every type cultured marble, Petrofino, we offer it all. But again, we have many choices, and we can stay within your budget with one of our brands. You'll be able to find something you love in one of these brands for sure. And again, quartz is probably the most modern and used more now than any other surface. Cabinets. when you're talking your design, we have multiple different choices, from your more classic, your classic, lots of design, lots of features, to the white shaker, which is the most common now. If you're looking for a modern kitchen, a white shaker would be a wonderful choice for you. But we have every option known to man. So you want to decide if you're going for a classic kitchen, if you're going for a modern kitchen. You want to make these decisions. Again, your designer is huge in this. That's going to help you. We're going to take your cabinet door, we're going to pick a piece of flooring that you like, we're going to put it with your countertops and give you an overall picture of what you're wanting to do. We also offer 20/20 drawings on your cabinets, so you'll get a layout, a 3D print of what your actual cabinets with your countertop look like. So you're not having to use your imagination. You can actually see what your kitchen's going to look like once we're said and done. Another thing you want to consider is, do you want the stainless steel undermount sink, which is very common, or do you want to upgrade and get a farm sink? If you go this route, the cabinet has to be made for it. So the planning is key to this. You can't decide, I want to get a farm sink after we put in standard cabinets. So again, this goes back to the design of the beginning of the design. Do you want tile backsplash? We can offer, there's thousands of ranges of backsplash. Or do you want to take your countertop and do a full height backsplash? So the same material, whatever you decided to quartz, or this is a beautiful quartzite material, so it's natural and it's a true quartz product, but it can come straight up and become one unit. So it's a full height backsplash, and that's beautiful and becoming very popular as well. Again, these cabinets, this is a shaker style cabinet with a little extra design, but very modern, very popular right now. Another thing that's new is, if you'll see, the cabinets have many options, more than what grandma and grandpa used to have in their kitchen. We have, a home office. You can put the outlets in here and charge your phones and hide all of your bills and your keys, and so there's just so many options that you need to be aware of. And again, this is about your design team and your execution of this. So again, now we've gone through budget and products, so stay tuned for more training on how to get a complete, beautiful kitchen.